lot of times we find customers will purchase a new home in the area and they'll be told by a home inspector or somebody who looks at the house that it's been completely rewired. And we'll get in there later and realize that's not the case. Down here in a basement or in an attic, it's unfinished. So it's really easy for someone to run new wires down here and cut all the knob and tube out. But what will happen is they won't want to mess with the middle of the house where there's finished plaster. So they'll leave all that. And what you'll get here, we have a newer piece of wire right here. I say newer, this is probably 1960s, but newer. And it's spliced onto knob and tube wires where the knob and tube wires go up into the remainder of the house. Now this is pretty blatant, pretty obvious, but sometimes it'll be even more subtle. They'll actually set a junction box here and cover these and then have a new piece of wire coming into it. So it's very common. People will spend a lot of money on a new house, say, oh, it's been completely rewired, and then we have to give them the bad news that that's not the case. So there's an easy way to detect that. Typically on the first floor, if you open up a plate for a wall switch, you can look in there and we can see if that's indeed new wiring. But to buy a new home under the idea that it's been completely rewired, to find out that you might have to make a massive upgrade because it wasn't the case, that can be kind of a bummer.